Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome to She Joy. It is that fine medium, Dr. Rose, coming to you live with another message of what you need to know today. So, you guys, we actually are talking about cloning, okay? Why it's been implemented, what it means, and what's the backstory and all of that to this, okay? So, in 1938, okay, in 1938, that is whenever cloning actually started, okay? Yes, 1938. And you can imagine just the advances that we've noticed while dealing with, seeing certain celebrities go through certain things, and how Disney said that they've birthed certain celebrities actually in a lab, and how they're using different celebrities are using different skins of other celebrities, and basically you could call it CGI, how they're doing with technology, and also how in movies how they use what's it called, plastic stuff on the face, and how they put together the monsters, and how they make people look old, and different things that they do. Okay, this has all been a thing, but while they're doing it for entertainment purposes, also understand that the government lets us know what they're doing through movies. Okay, so we're seeing that they're putting this stuff on people, and we got shows showing how people know how to make over people in different ways, and using all this plastic and different silicone and stuff like that, and how they're making robots and really synthetic people and sex toys and all stuff like that, and they're giving it to us as play or different things. Mind you, it is also used for governmental purposes. Okay, so let's dive deep. So they've been cloning since 1938 in 8+ countries. Okay, you can watch the movie The Boys from Brazil to get a deeper understanding of they show you exactly what they're doing and why. Now, our physical reality in this life is a dream. Okay, this is why people astral travel. This is why it's a matrix, because it's a realm. It's a realm that has to do with different systems is what I'll call it. Okay, so this realm is made up of experiences that are impregnated on your body and in your mind consciously. Okay, so your soul, so that's just your regular memory, right? But your soul also has a memory. Now, for those of you who have seen the 100s and who know about the primes, right? Primordials, right? The primes, the elites, okay? They have their minds uploaded to this device, okay? And this device allows you to basically put that mind into the next vessel, whether it's a live vessel, a host, or whether it's a clone, or so on and so forth. Okay, a lot of this is interesting, but essentially it has to do with the same thing, cloning. Okay, so it's basically a mind DVD recorder that takes your memories, your emotions, your life events, the things that's been happening to you, and so on and so forth, how you feel about things, so on and so forth. And they can place these into clones. Now, Your soul memory goes back to when you were actually elected to be in this incarnation that we're on planet Kai, Earth, so on and so forth. For whatever reason you chose to incarnate. Now, the body is physical, okay? But the soul, the spirit detaches from the physical body during astral travel, okay, during dreaming and so on and so forth. Now, they have been making physical beings, whether that's basically it's clones. They don't have souls. They can have your complete memory, emotional, whatever, your voice, your understandings, but not your soul. And this is why a lot of coming out saying that they have clones and so on and so forth. Do your research. Now, those physical beings can take, they can take months to make, much like a human being, okay? But they make them for, like, spare parts or for, doubles, like stunt doubles, or, like, purposes to deceive, okay? So, what you do is you go to the hospital and you get a phallic gram on a being, which basically records the mind's memory of the conscious mind, and they put it on a CD where you can download it. And some of these do have glitches where they could be fixed at Camp David or at a hospital in certain wings that do work on the others or the beings or clones. Okay. So now we also have knowledge that this is not just used by the government or by movie stars and television and entertainment and stuff like that, but it's also used by extraterrestrials. Okay, whether you see that as reptilians, whether you see that as aquatic beings, whether you see that, whatever you see extraterrestrials as, basically, they are using it to be indistinguishable from humanity. To basically put us on a level playing field, to deceive us into believing, thinking, feeling, and doing certain things. Okay, yes, this can be attached to, like, the Illuminati, secret societies, and so on and so forth. But most of the leaders, the high-ups, the elite, so on and so forth, have been bought and paid to think a certain way, and to allow these things to happen. Whether they know the whole thing with the Illuminati, the Cabal, and the Freemasons, or whether they are actually just, they just want the money, or they just want the lifestyle, or whatever it is that they're wanting to do it for. That being said, make sure to do your research. Stay blessed, never stressed, with much peace, much power, much love, much light, and of course, much joy. See you guys next time.